It's Sum time!
Why is bird poop white?
Oh.
'Cause they eat white chocolate. No. Firstly, it is not the poop that is white. The green or brown part present in the center of the white portion is the actual poop of birds. Confused? The kidneys in humans extract nitrogenous waste like urea from blood and release it in the form of liquid urine. But the kidneys of birds don't produce urine. Instead, they excrete the nitrogenous waste as uric acid. This acid is the white portion. Besides this, humans have two exit points, one to remove urine produced by kidneys, and the other to remove poop produced by intestines. But birds have only one exit point, called cloaca. The poop from intestines, that is the green part, and the uric acid from kidneys are excreted at the same time, thus producing a cocktail of poop and pee.